Hi, my name is Katch and we're going to create a funky piece of geometric canvas art. Geometric canvas art's a really easy way to create a great piece of art for your wall, even if you've never painted before. So what you'll need to create your geometric canvas art is some tape, a rag, any kind of paint. I'm using a spatula, or you can use some brushes. Oh, and of course you'll need your canvas. So the first thing we're going to do is take our tape and put it randomly on our canvas, remembering that where you put the tape, the canvas will be white underneath. So make sure your tape's stuck down really well, otherwise when we go to paint it, the paint will bleed in under the tape and that won't look good. So now that I'm really happy with my shapes, I'm just thinking about colours. So you can either mix all the colours together and once you pull the tape off it'll leave the white lines, otherwise you can do individual colours in each shape. That's what I've chosen to do on this one. So as you'll notice, we've put the tape all the way to the edges, so make sure you get the colour right to the edge as well. So while we're waiting for our wet canvas to dry, here's one I prepared earlier that has a great mix of colours. So to give you an idea of different designs that you can do, let's pull the tape off to see what it reveals. So I really like the colour and movement of this one, and you can see where the scrapers left all its texture. Let's take the tape off this one and see what the smoother finish looks like. As I said earlier, make sure you stick the tape down really well, otherwise you get a little bleeding like this. That's no problem, all you have to do is grab a bit of white paint or a white Sharpie, give it a little touch up. And now all you've got to do is find a great place to hang them.